I keep this microphone for sure 100%.
Hey everyone, it's Eikos from ATech Flow. Today I am excited to bring you something truly different stuff. The world's first transformable AI mini microphone, the BOYAMagic. This tiny mic isn't just about recording sound, it's about transforming the way creators, vloggers and streamers capture audio. And as usual, let's see the unboxing. So inside the box you found two transmitters, multiple receivers including Type-C, Lightning and camera receiver, plus the compact charging case. And what's cool is how Boya designed this. It feels like pulling markers from a pencil box. That's how portable it is. Now let's speak a little bit about the transformable design. And this is where the BOYAMagic earns its name. It's transformable, not just another wireless microphone. You can go from clip-on for vlogging, to handheld for interviews, to desktop for streaming or meetings, and even camera-mounted for cinematic shots. All in one mic, no extra gear, no extra money. Now let's head into the audio quality. Audio quality is where it really shines. It has a safety limiter and safety track recording, giving you double peak protection so you won't lose a take to sudden loud sounds. And thanks to true AI noise cancellation, up to minus 40 decibel, it cuts out cafe chatter, office hum or street noise, keeping your voice clean and professional. One of the smartest parts of the BOYAMagic is the app, called Boya Central, which gives you full control over your microphone. Here you can monitor battery life of your transmitters and receivers in real time so you never get caught off guard. Adjust equalizer presets for different scenarios, for example, bright vocals if you're recording indoors or warm tone for podcasting. Activate or fine-tune the AI noise cancellation levels depending on how noisy your environment is, like dialing it down for a quiet office or cranking it up in a busy cafe. Manage firmware updates directly through the app, keeping your mic future-proof with the latest improvements. And if you are running multiple transmitters, the app makes it easy to pair, rename, and switch between them without messing with hardware buttons. And what really makes the BOYAMagic shine is how you're using it daily with a different scenario. Clip-on indoor. At home, I clip it for a natural hands-free setup, perfect for recording casual content or quick updates. Clip-on outdoor, example gym. Step outside or even into the gym, and the compact design plus AI noise cancellation keeps my voice clear even with background noise. Handheld for interviews, switch for handheld, and it's ready for street interviews, podcasts or one-on-one chats. Just tap the record like a pro mic. Desktop for streaming or Zoom calls. Drop it into desktop mode and suddenly it's a broadcast style mic for live streaming, Zoom meeting or online classes. And to wrap it up, mount it in your camera for cinematic B-roll or professional looking content. Now let's speak a bit about the battery. The battery life is solid. Each transmitter lasts up to 6 hours, and with the charging case you get up to 30 hours total. The case doubles the storage and even a handheld mic, so you can keep recording while you charge the other unit. Okay guys, let's wrap this up. So after testing the BOYAMagic in every scenario, indoors, outdoors, at the gym, interview, streaming and even cinematic shows, I can honestly say this mic has surprised me. I've been using DJI mics for a while, but I swapped them out because the BOYAMagic going to be my new daily microphone. The transformable design, the AI noise cancellation, 6 hours per transmitter plus 30 hours with the charging case, and the marker size compatibility, it makes creators dream. Honestly guys, I can tell you, this piece of gear it isn't just another product, another gear. I have to say honestly, that's one of the best things so far I've tested and reviewed this channel. I'm so like it, and I'm so glad for Boya to sending me this unit. It's like, thank you. So one mic, 4 forms, marker size compatibility, that's the BOYAMagic.
What phone do you like to use as a daily phone?
At the moment I'm using iPhone 16 and I'm waiting the iPhone 17 series, which
Yeah, which model you're mostly excited about?
mostly the iPhone Pro Max 17 and the Pro.
Are you getting them?
Of course. Hello, what's your name?
Matthew.
Matthew, what is your food to go when you cheat day you have?
Probably for me it's Chicago Town pizza with the full meat, everything. I like that. and probably Galaxy Caramel Chocolate Bar for me is the go-to for cheap meal.
Ah, that's very kind. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
So guys, this is the BOYAMagic microphone without the AI noise cancellation. You can hear the background music and stuff like that. Now we turn on and hear the magic. As you can hear now, it's like amazing, like unreal. So let's check now the BOYAMagic microphone outside. As you can see, there is the traffic, the cars is running. There is a little bit windy and everything. And now let's turn the AI noise cancellation. And this is turned on even with a lorry behind me and everything, a fast car, but probably you not hear nothing. But there is a tractor. That thing is amazing, like, it's turned back, you see? That's the difference. It's like, come on. And now turn on again. I keep this microphone for sure 100%. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Make your thoughts in the comment below. And I'll catch you in the next one.